Hello viewers, it seems Microsoft is making another change to the out-of-the-box experience OOBE. In the last dev and beta channel built, Microsoft is removing another workaround that allow user to bypass the Microsoft account requirements when installing Windows. Just a quick recap, back in March, Microsoft announced it was removing the bypass NRO command, which let user create a local account instead of a Microsoft account during setup. Microsoft said this change was meant to improve Windows 11 security and user experience. The company also mentioned that all users would need internet access and a Microsoft account to complete setup, but many users still found other ways to bypass it. Now in this week dev and beta builds, Microsoft has announced it's removing known method for creating a local account during setup. According to the Microsoft statement, these bypass methods often skip important setup screens, which could cause device to be left partially configured. Therefore, user will now need internet access and a Microsoft account to finish the OOBE setup properly. The method Microsoft is likely referring to as the start ms-cxh local only, which many people use to skip the online account requirements. Microsoft claimed that removal is necessary because bypassing the Microsoft account setup also skip important configuration steps, potentially leading to incomplete setup. This change will likely cause some debates among users. However, there are still alternative methods. For example, you can use third-party tools like Rufus or Fly OOBE to bypass these restrictions. Also keep in mind that while an internet connection is now required, you can still sign in with a Microsoft account during setup and then switch to a local account afterward. Once you have created a local account, you will not need to use the Microsoft account again. So that's the latest update. Microsoft now officially require a Microsoft account during the Windows 11 setup process, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.